For many workers, having the flexibility of being able to work from home has been a dream they've pursued for a long time. There are indeed real benefits to working remotely, but there are also big challenges to overcome. Here are 10 tips to effectively work from home. Number 1. Get started early. When working in an office, your morning commute can help you wake up and feel ready to work by the time you get to your desk. At home, however, the transition from your pillow to your computer can be more of a task in itself. One way to work from home productively is to dive into your to-do list as soon as you wake up. Simply getting a project started first thing in the morning can be the key to making progress on it gradually throughout the day. Otherwise, you'll prolong breakfast and let the morning sluggishness wear away your motivation. Number 2. Pretend like you are going into the office. The mental association you make between work and an office can make you more productive, and there's no reason that feeling should be lost when working remotely. When working from home, do all the things you'd do to prepare for an office role: set your alarm, make or go get coffee, and wear nice clothes. Get fully ready for the day, and pretend you're actually going to work. Otherwise, you might find yourself back in bed. Number 3. Structure your day like you would in the office. When working from home, you are your own personal manager. Without things like an in-person meeting schedule to break up your day, you can be quick to lose focus or burn out. To stay on schedule, segment what you'll do and when, over the course of the day. If you have an online calendar, create personal events and reminders that tell you when to shift gears and start on new tasks. Number 4. Choose a dedicated workspace. Just because you're not working at an office doesn't mean you can't have an office. Rather than staying put in your room or on the couch, spaces that are associated with leisure time, dedicate a specific room or surface in your home to work. Have a place you go specifically to work. It could be a certain table, chair, or some place that's consistently your workspace. It helps you get into the right frame of mind. Number 5. Communicate expectations with anyone who will be home with you. Of course, you might be working from home, but you still have company. Make sure any roommates, siblings, parents, or spouses respect your space during work hours. Just because you're working from home doesn't mean you're home. If anyone else is going to be at home when you're working, they just have to be clear that when you're in your working from home, you're working, even if it looks like and feels like you're hanging out at home. Number 6. Deal with distractions well. Anyone working from home inevitably gets distracted, and it's obviously even worse if you have easy access to television or social media. However, try to keep yourself distracted in the same ways you did at work. Let yourself stray for 5 minutes, but not binge watch movies or television series. Number 7. Work when you're at your most productive. Nobody sprints through their work from morning to evening. Your motivation will naturally ebb and flow throughout the day. When you're working from home, however, it's all the more important to know when those ebbs and flows will take place, and plan your schedule around it. To capitalize on your most productive periods, save your harder tasks for when you know you'll be in the right headspace for them. Use slower points of the day to knock out the easier, logistical tasks that are also on your plate. These easier tasks, when completed successfully, can help build your momentum for the heavier projects that are waiting for you later on. Number 8. Use technology to stay connected. Working from home might help you focus on your work in the short term, but it can also make you feel cut off from the larger operation happening in the office. Instant messaging and video conferencing tools can make it easy to check in with coworkers and remind you how your work is contributing to the big picture. Number 9. Take clear breaks. It can be so easy to get distracted when working remotely that you avoid breaks altogether. Don't let the guilt of working in the building you sleep in prevent you from taking 5 minutes to relax. Rather than just opening YouTube and watching some comfort clips, however, use your breaks to get away from your desk. Go for a walk outside or spend time with others who might also be in the house. Number 10. Pick a definitive finishing time each day. You might be under the impression that working from home establishes more work-life balance, but be careful with that assumption. Working from home can also feel like being at a casino. You can get so caught up in your activity, in a relaxing environment, that you lose complete track of time. In lieu of coworkers, whose packing up and leaving the office reminds you to do the same, set an alarm at the end of the day, to indicate your normal workday is coming to an end. You don't have to stop at exactly that time, but knowing the workday is technically over, can help you start the process of saving your work, and calling it quits for the evening. Let us know in the comments, if you are struggling with any of the tips, while working from home. Like, comment and subscribe to our channel, for more listicle videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, to receive notifications of upcoming listicle videos.